Have you ever wondered how does a website looks like with different budgets? In this video, we are going to create a real estate website for a business with $1 budget to $2,000, and finally I try to sell it to big companies. So let's start the progress. So for the first and cheapest project, you actually get a $1 website with a low quality image as background and a text has written on the page, and it actually takes around 2 to 3 minutes from me for 30 lines of code. And when you make the budget 10 times more, you'll get a $10 website that will actually take around 20 minutes on it for 137 lines of code. And actually this website doesn't look very well. It actually reminds me the first website in the early 2000s, and I think there is no business that can start and introduce himself with this website. But for the $100 website, you actually get something way more better, because till now the $1 and $10 website both were just a single file. But when you get a $100 website, it actually take around 2 full days on it for about 3,000 lines of code. And as you can see, there are lots of other pages that actually make a structure that we can take this project on host. For the first 2 websites, we weren't able to take them on production mode, but this website has this potential to take it on production. So this structure is so needable for the production and those things. And when you see the website, as you can see, it's like, it's like a good website for small businesses that can introduce themselves to the world and get more clients and customers for their real estate. Also, we have info about CroCode family, real estate website, CroEstate. Yeah. Also for the next section, we have a start your journey that you can contact with support team and they will guide you to get the thing that you want. Also, when you come to the top of the page and write, for example, modern, it will sort by the thing that you have right. Then we go to the $500 website. As you can see, when I take this project, it's actually a complete website. Find your dreamy luxury house. And these are all about the website. I won't speak anymore. I just want you to see the website, what client says, ready to find your dream home. And if you notice, till now, all of our website was just a single page. Even this website was just a single page that you could scroll on it. But for a $500 website, I actually take around 12 days on it. And I will give you something like this. When you search properties, you will see a sorting section that you can sort items, and you can search them and it will show you some houses, some apartment or houses. Also, you can search them from this place below. You can see the details, also contact with agents, call them or email them. We have also the About Us section that all pages make a very good website for users to use and for that business to buy. And I think there is nothing more to show about the $500 website. It's actually a complete website, and I think this website can use for mid-range businesses that can develop their work and upgrade their community. Then for a $2,000 website, I actually take a whole month on it to create it, and I actually take a customer for it and I sell it. But I want to show you the local version of it, because on the contract I sign in, I cannot say anything about that business, that who was it and how much I sell it to him. But if you want to don't work on that curiosity thing, this is the website with very good stuff. I actually missed this website because I've created for a whole month, and after I gave it to customer, I didn't work on it, or I didn't even take it on production to see it. But this is the website. You can actually choose the location, property type, price range, and you can search it actually. And the thing that makes this website very expensive was about the AI I make the website. Actually, you can see that when you search something, it will show you some suggestions. Also, when you come down, you can see popular listing, view details. You can select homes and you can see them and read the description about them. You can call or message to the contact agent. Also, when we come down, we have AI Smart Match. For example, I want to invest on New York. and I click on the next, my budget is around, for example, 5 million, and it will analyze the market trends for me, and we found a 98% match. Here we can see the details, and it's actually a full responsive AI that can give you very good suggestions. Then we have interactive map explorer, and you can see the different houses around the world. Then we have top neighbors, market price heat map, compare properties. Also we have a smart mortgage calculator that you can choose. For example, the property price is 3 million, and the down payment and the interest rate, and get pre-approved. Also we have real estate analyzed for different places around the world, and market trends based on average price for the last 6 months. Also we have a step inside before you buy. We have an introduction video that businesses can see, and I just really wanted to show you also the final website I've created for that business. But the contract is contract and law is law, and I cannot break it, unfortunately. Also we have success stories about other sections, frequently asked questions, and it's all about the main page. We have also the property section. We have the about page that it will take a little bit time to show it. Also we have the blog section, you can read blogs and articles. Also we have the final page for contact, and also you can sign up and log in yourself on the website. And I think this is all about the website. What would you think about all these 5 websites I show you? And if you had the money, which one you would buy? Tell me on the comment section until another video. Bye bye.